Got the ESR screen protector set for the Samsung S24 Ultra. So first thing I'm going to do is peel off this from the glass itself. I have a nice clean glass here now. They give you this template or this guide. This is going to go on top. There's a little sticky mat. We're going to set that down here. I'll put it up here. Once we set that, oh, let's put it here. It's a little harder surface. That's probably smoother. So set it here. That's going to stop them from scooting around. Now we've got the wet wipes that we're going to wipe it with. So I'm guessing this is a special wipe designed to remove any of the oils and things that would interfere. So I'm going to try not to touch it as we wipe off the screen here. Now there's enough wet wipes to do the screen once or twice with these for each of the screen covers you're going to get. And then there's also a wet wipe so you can wipe the camera lenses down. Now this is number 2. It's imprinted on there. This is a microfiber cloth. And this is how we dry the screen. Now if there was any dust, I don't see any dust here. If there was any dust, we would use these stickers as the 3rd level of dust removal. But now we can go ahead and prepare one of these screen covers. And that's going to set down into this guide, and we're going to peel the back off, and you can see as you peel the back off, the glass itself stays. And now we can kind of set it down into the corners in the back here and let it just fall into place. And now we can take the flat squeegee, and you can see the air removing itself from the equation there. And we'll move this up. Just like this to remove any bubbles. Remove any bubbles from the side going this way. Once that guide is not needed anymore, we'll take a quick close look at it here. Looking pretty smooth. So it's a pretty easy application. You get 2 of these covers. This is going to protect your screen from scratches and dirt and whatever. And then again, we have a set of covers for the lenses as well. Same process. Hope this helps.